started dancing at the second that she heard the music play. She's always moving. She looks at me, but then I look back at her. She turns away. She knows exactly what she's doing. She moves closer and I'm thinking to myself that she's all mine. She's all mine. We start talking and she takes my hand like she does this all the time.
Taught me how to love. Daddy never taught me how to feel. Mama never taught me how to touch. Daddy never showed me how to heal. Mama never set a good example. Daddy never held mama's hand. Mama found everything hard to handle. Daddy never stood up like a man. I've walked around broken, emotionally frozen, getting it on, getting it wrong. The biggest scandal I became. They told me I'd never survive, but survival's my middle name. I walked around hoping, just barely coping, getting it on, getting it wrong. How do you love someone without getting hurt? How do you love someone without crawling in the dark? So far the truth.